Hello, this is Daniel from Syntevo. Today I'm going to show you how to configure LFS with SmartGit 23.1 and we will also look into lock and unlock. I prepared my SmartGit. I choose not to clone directly, but I want to set up the Git executable to the bundled Git for the best possible experience when it comes to authentication with the hosting provider. So now we are all set. We go to repository and we want to clone a repo from GitHub. So I use the hosting provider feature. I use OAuth authentication against GitHub. It's all done basically for me. We have the token. We can edit now and we get a list of repos and I choose the LFS demo repo to check out. So define the path and the repo is coming down to my workstation. So now we want to do LFS. The easiest way to show it is with a picture. I reveal the repo in the Explorer and I will copy a picture, a JPEG that I prepared in here. It's a nice mountain view. So now I have the file, but it's not yet LFS. So I can install LFS using SmartGit, what I'm doing right here. And now I have the option to track JPEG as LFS files. I can either check the exact file, the full file name, or I can track it by pattern. I usually go with by pattern, so asterisk.jpg. I write a nice little commit message, and we are ready to commit this into the repo. Define the email and we are good to go. And we have created our first LFS object in our repo. It's a nice little mountain JPEG. So now there is an advanced feature. If you cannot resolve conflicts on your binaries, there is the option to do LFS locking, which is currently disabled. As you can see in the menus, lock is here, but it's grayed out. To enable it, you simply go into the preferences, low-level properties, and you search for LFS. And at the very bottom, you will find the property for the locks. I enable it. And now I need to restart SmartGit. And once I restarted SmartGit, you will be able to see lock is now available. So I can now lock an LFS file for exclusive usage by myself. LFS lock succeeded. When I'm done with the changes, I can again unlock the LFS file. Thank you for watching. This was it. SmartGit using LFS with locks and unlocks. This is Daniel Siegel from Syntevo.